What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a review on the brand new MAC and Jeremy Scott eyeshadow palette. I am so excited to do this review. You guys have no idea. When I saw this, I basically died, came back to life, and then died one more time, and then came back to life again. Living for this. This is so retro and so 90s and so sick. It's disgusting. I really do like Jeremy Scott as a designer. He's pretty awesome. It's right up my alley, that style of like 90s hip hop, like totally up my alley. So when I saw this, I had to get my hands on it. It was extremely expensive. It was $98 Canadian. So yeah, I'm a little embarrassed to say that I did buy it with my own money, but I had to have it. Like, this is just so cute. We're gonna find out if it was worth the $98. I have not swatched it. I have not touched the shadows, not even once. So we are all gonna do it together. Let's find out if this bad boy is living up to its hype. I'm also kind of like meh because this has been out for a couple months now and I feel like I'm a little behind in the times, but I just went through a big move and I didn't have time to review it, and I even considered returning it, but then I thought, you know what, when I saw it I really wanted it and I'm not just gonna return it, so let's at least try it and see how we like it. I don't really know what look we're gonna do today. I don't have a clue, but let's just like roll with the punches and have fun. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's what makeup's about, right? It's supposed to be fun. So when you open it up, you've got like the little boombox handle, and then that's like where you open it from. So it's got this like amazing mirror and all of these beautiful shadows. It's kind of like the levels of sound. That's called, I don't know what it's called, but anyways, which is super cool. And then it has this sheet that shows all the names. I love how like colorful this palette is. I think it's pretty fun. There are some shimmers, but they're mostly mattes. I think there's like 8 shimmers in this palette, and the rest are like a complete matte shade, which is fine. I'm cool with that. I've got lots of shimmers. I don't need more of them, but I'm really interested to see what kind of look we can come up with today. So let's see how she performs. So I'm gonna put my hair up so that it's out of my face and I can really focus on what I'm doing. Okay, so I just put my hair up and, oh my God, just get your shit together, woman. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my eyelids. Today I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I know it's for the under eyes, but I'm gonna use it on my eyes today because it's hydrating and mama needs some hydration. I've already done my face makeup. I've also done my eyebrows. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with my NYX eyeshadow base. This is in the color white. Just gonna use my finger. Jessica Braun uses this. She like swears by it, so I've been really interested in trying it. Just gonna set it with a loose powder really quick before it creases. And then I'm gonna do the other eye. I like how brightening it is. All right, let's dip into these eyeshadows. I'm so pumped. I think to start, I'm going to go into this color here, which is called Lo-Fi. So I don't really see anything, but that's probably because it's basically my skin color. I think I'm gonna go into this color here called Endless Frequency. It's kind of like this little peachy color. It's really cute. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I love this color, it's so pretty. So far the shadows seem to be blending. I think next I'm gonna go into the color Disco Therapy right here. Apply that into my crease as well, just below. Oh wow, shit, I wasn't expecting that. Do you guys ever think that when companies do collabs like this, they just like don't care about the actual product? It's more about like the packaging and the person that's collabing. I'm just curious because I have been online and I have been reading the reviews on this palette and they weren't very good, and I'm wondering why. I mean, I think so far like they're performing quite well, but let's keep moving and see what's gonna go down. Okay, I'm gonna go back into that like light peachy color. I like it so far. I think the shadows are really nice. I'm starting to feel like I'm glad I didn't return it. So I'm gonna go in with the color Bite the Beat, which is this taupe color. Press that into the outer corners of my eyes. The colors aren't really like wowing me. I don't find that there's quite enough pigment in my opinion. That shadow in particular didn't really have a lot of pigment, but Let's keep rolling. I'm gonna go back in with that orangey color and I'm just going to buff this out a little bit. Yeah, like I find the more I work with the shadows, they're kind of like disappearing, if that makes any sense. Like the color isn't sticking as well as I'd like it to. Don't fail me. I think I'm eating my own words right now. They're blending away into nothing. Like that really pretty pink color isn't showing up anymore. Yeah, these are those kinds of shadows that disappear into nothing when you blend them, which is really disappointing. Going with the color Beautifully Charred, and I'm just going to press that into my outer V again. I don't know, guys, this is feeling really chalky. If you guys can see, but it just disappears. Like it's very, very patchy. And I keep having to reapply like every color. Like I keep redoing the same steps over and over and over because they're just disappearing into nothing. Where did the shadow go right here? Oh my gosh. Dare I try a shimmer? I'm actually kind of afraid because I don't want to like scream into a pillow. I'm going to try one of the shimmers without Fix Plus to start. So I'm gonna go in with Creative Copper, which is this one right here. And I'm going to press that into my lid. Oh wow, it's literally pure dust. I pressed my brush into it and it's just flaking everywhere. I'm not even joking, guys. But it's like, what about people that don't know how to use makeup, you know? Like, what if they don't have Fix Plus? Like, the shadows should perform regardless of using a setting spray, you know what I mean? As much as I love M.A.C and I love Jeremy Scott, they should have put as much time and effort into the actual product as they did just the packaging, you know? There is this color here, which is a shimmer as well. It's like a deeper shimmer. Maybe I'll try that with Fix Plus and put that on my outer corners. The color I'm going into is Bonus Track. It's a little better. Well, I think that's about as good as we're gonna get, guys. Go on the bottom lash line now and add the peachy color. I'm gonna take a pencil brush, a little baby one, and then I'm gonna go in with that gold color. Actually, let's try another color. I'm gonna go in with the color Superior Sound, which is this one right here. It's got almost like a pinky tone to it. Pop that on my inner corner. I'm gonna add a little underneath my brow. I'm gonna get off camera and I'm gonna apply some bronzer and mascara and then I'll meet back up with you guys in just a sec. Okay guys, so this is the final look after mascara and bronzer. So as far as the palette goes, I'm quite disappointed. At first I was pretty excited, but then as I started working with the shadows, they basically blend into nothing. The end result is okay, but I mean, you guys saw how much I applied on my eyes and it's not showing like as boldly as it should considering how much product I had to use to get these results. So I'm not in love with it. If you guys want to see me do another look with the palette, please let me know in the comments down below. That way maybe we could try out some other colors and we can see if those ones are okay. But so far, not that impressed, especially for the friggin' price, $100 Canadian plus tax. I'm just like, no. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. Smaller YouTubers are basically nothings on the planet, so we really need your guys' support. So a thumbs up really helps. And the notification bell on your way out so you never miss a video. Thank you guys so much for coming. I will see you in my next one.